Hello students, this is Mr. Ravenscroft and I'd like to show you topic F.8, multiplication with exponents on IXL. It's shortcut EQY, and whether you're working on IXL or some other lesson, this is a couple examples that'll help you really feel empowered, I think, to understand these and not be so stressed. So let's discover a big idea with this quick example. So we'll say example 1 here. Imagine I had a problem that said 3 to the second dot 3 to the fourth. Now, if you want to feel disempowered and stressed out, you'd look at this and hopefully make a guess and say, well, I think maybe I don't know, do we add the 2 and the 4? No, wait, multiply them. Yeah, multiply. 3 to the 2 times 4, that's 8. Is it 3 to the 8th? No, wait, 3 to the 6th? Don't memorize this. Let it make sense to you. An exponent is something that's been condensed down, right? It's saying you have 2 of what's below. Okay, so we have 2 3s. And the little bitty number reminds you this is talking about numbers that are connected by the little bitty dot. This is repeated multiplication. So there's another dot. Okay, let's look at our next one. Our next one says we have 3 to the fourth. So there's 4 3s. So you picture those out. This strategy I'm using is called expanding the exponent. It's super valuable for discovering an idea or a pattern that you don't want to try to memorize because you'll mix it up if you memorize it. Do you want to use it on problems that are really big? Probably not. But you might make a quick example off to the side like I'm showing you to discover what we're about ready to discover, and then we can use that pattern or that shortcut on the harder problems. Let's finish discovering the pattern. Ready? There's 2 3s, 4 3s. They're all connected with dots. If we're going to recondense those back down, we'd say we have how many? 3 to the itty bitty. Well, aren't there 4 plus 2? Aren't there 6 of them? And for some of you, if you start expanding the exponents, that's the strategy I would recommend using. When you see exponents, you should simply say, I'm going to, just like the first 3 letters there, I'm going to expand the exponents, okay? So when you see exponents, expand them out. Whether that's in your mind or written out on paper, expand them out and you'll realize, wait a second, in this situation I need to, and what we find is we need to add the exponents. Now I know if you look at other videos, people will say, if this is A and this is B, A plus B, and they just tell you what to do. But if you don't know why that is, you're being disempowered. You're being taught to memorize something you'll forget. So I just wanted to take a moment to show you that. Let's look at your actual problem. Here we go. So 485 to the 7th, I'm going to write it just a little bigger here, dot 485 to the 6th. Now I really don't want to write all these out, but just to prove a point, I'm going to partially write these out. So this 485 to the 7th literally just means you have 7 of these 485s. So imagine them out here, 485 dot 485 dot, okay, so there'd be 7 of them, dot, and then 6 more of them. Okay, so hopefully we can all say with confidence, okay, there's going to be 7 plus 6. There's going to be a bunch of 485s. How many of them? There'd be 7 plus 6, which is going to be 485 to the 13th. You just add those two numbers, 6 plus 7. So we'd say there's 485 to the 13th power. Okay, let's look for a harder problem. Okay, students, in this problem, we have 409 to the 69th power dot 409 to the 32nd power, and the answer will be whatever we get when we add those two exponent numbers. So let's just take those two numbers and add them together. We end up getting about 101. So now how many of these 409s do we have? Makes me think of a Beach Boys song. 101 of them. So we just go over here, we type this in. I'll show you once typing these in. 409, press the exponent button here to the 101st power. Okay, hey, that's going to wrap up this topic. This is F8 multiplication with exponents, and it's shortcut EQY on IXL. I hope this helps you. If you guys have any questions, make sure to let me know. See you guys. Love y'all. Take care.